Hey, welcome back to Lamb Chop Builds. This is going to be a What Did I Buy Wednesday. Probably my first one in probably a month or better. And I know I recorded one probably 2 weeks ago, and I never got it edited to get it put on. So this is going to cover stuff I bought then and stuff I picked up recently. So with that, let's get to it. All right, so I've got quite a few stash ads because I'd recorded another video and never got it posted for some reason. I was checking to make sure. So I picked these. The first two here, we picked up at Atomic City. No, yeah, Atomic City's parking lot swap meet. We got a 70.5 Camaro. Is open box. Not a bad kit. It's missing the chrome. The only thing missing was the little chrome pieces right here for the bumper, front bumper chrome. So we'll do something with that. We'll figure that out. That's probably why this was open box and we lost them, and here we are. I ended up with it. Then we picked up the 57 Chevy Cameo AMT Ertl sealed. Nice kit, nice looking kit. I like the AMT Ertl kits in this series, the boxes, because they always build up real nice. I like the 57 300, Chrysler 300, and others like that. The plastics always seem real nice. Then at the Gym City NNL the other day, we picked up the 58 Edsel. Like I was saying, these will build up nice. This sealed kit, so kind of cool to pick that up. And all these kits I bought were either 10 or 15. One was 15, the rest were $10 kits. So not bad for a $10 kit right here. I think I said this is going to be a model cars and coffee. What did I buy Wednesday? Then we picked up a kit I built a long time ago. And I wanted to build another one to kind of do better as the 56 T-Bird. This was open. It's complete. So be okay to build that someday. Removable top, convertible. Yeah, I still got the body to the one I built, and was gonna make like a roadster out of it, speedster type thing for slot cars, and never finished it. Then we picked up the 69 Dodge 440, and this is the body here that I'm still going to finish. I do got to do the clear coat on this one, but this is the same body. I always thought that was a Super B, but it's the 440. I built this a long time ago. This box right here, molded in blue. I may hang on to this if there's a naked Greek build type thing and polish this out real nice, even with that line in it. It'll be all right. You make that paint sparkle, wet sand it a little bit. Who knows? Came with two windshields. So if anyone that has one of these kits out there that needs a extra glass, there was two in this box. I don't know if it came with two or someone found one stuck in with it, but I do have an extra glass. Shall the need ever arise? Then we picked up my USAC Camaro for this year. Not started. So I'll be doing a separate video for this because I'm gonna post this on Wednesday. Group build's already gonna be started, but You'll see the stash ad to it. It's not really a stash ad, but you know, it's a start with what I want to do with it. You know, don't look too bad. So, yeah, got some kits added in. I need to start building more. And then I made a post about a desk I picked up at work. They was getting rid of that, so I'll be doing some rearranging in my workspace here. Picked up some new microphones. For recording. A little bit different. They're magnetic. Got some magnetic pieces with them. Here's the old one. The receiver part of it fell and busted. It still works. It'll work, as it needs to. But I just bought another one. This one comes with a bunch of different adapters for the receiver, where you can use it in a Lightning, a USB, or USB-C. Have I added anything else lately? I know it's been a while since I put a video out. I thought I was going to start doing more. I recorded one and never got around to doing it. But, hopefully I'm on track now to start getting some more videos in. Get back into building more. Since I completed my last USAC, which was back in March, I've been working on my the drag Nomad. That's all I've been working on. And a little bit here with that NASCAR body I started doing. It's still sitting like it is. So with that, we're going to get more to it. Happy miling. See you next time.